Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your earbuds Happy Plugs Joy are charging? So if you want to check this information for the charging case, you can connect charging case to the power, and if you see the LED light, it means that your charging case are charging. If you want to check it for the earbuds, you can go to the settings on your Android and to the Bluetooth, or use a control panel. On iPhone you can use a widget, and you can check how much battery you have right now, then put your earbuds to the charging case, and after some time, let's say 10 minutes, remove it from the case and check how much you have now. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.